I first started to realize that sleep was going to be a problem when I went through my divorce. I wake up in the middle of the night worrying, and I'm awake for hours. And it's a very frustrating time because I know that I need to get some sleep because I'm going to be really cranky in the morning, and I have a lot to do between taking care of my kids and my mom and the house and the dog, and a lot of responsibility, which I think is almost what's keeping me awake, thinking about all that responsibility. I'll wake up in the morning, get up with the kids, get them off to school, start my day, and then around 2 o'clock, I am so unbelievably tired that I just need to lay down for half an hour and take a nap. But part of me says, well, if you do that, it might affect your sleep tonight. So it's just this whole big mind game that you play. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning and I'm really tired, I'll just go out for a walk and get some fresh air, take my dog for a walk, and that seems to give me a little burst of energy. Sometimes at night I'll have some chamomile tea before I go to bed. When I don't sleep at night, I don't feel good. I mean, it affects me. It affects me, emotionally, physically. It's very frustrating not getting a good night's sleep. I find that I'm taking a lot of my crankiness out on my kids and my mom, and I just don't want to do that anymore, and it's from not getting a good night's sleep. And I just feel if I had a good night's sleep, it would make my day go by so much easier, and I think my attitude would change. And I feel at this point it's time for me to go and speak to a doctor and get help.